Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif's World. So today we've come to Leicester, Evington Road to try out a cattle and smoke. This is the first time I've heard lots of reviews about this, so I thought, you know what, let's drive down to Leicester, let's take a look at this place. Let's go inside and let's take a look. I think guys, here's the menu here, look at this. There's all your menu here. They do a variety of foods, and here's the till where you make the payment. This is the inside, a variety of drinks here. Got seating areas here guys, so plenty of space here. So this is inside, it's really nice. This outside there. So we've gone for the Nashville tenders. So here we are, we've got our Nashville tenders here. Look at this, it looks absolutely stunning. We've got one piece of bread here as well. Right, that looks awesome. Right, let's give this a taste. Wow, that was fantastic. Look at that. It's very hot and it's very spicy. The chicken, you can see the chicken inside that. It's really nice and soft as well. Oh, that was really nice, but it's very spicy. You can see these little spices here on top of that. Tenders. Wow. Taste the bread as well, and it's really nice. Very soft as well. Wow, it's fantastic. Right then guys, so we've just finished our tenders and I must say that was unreal. I would recommend you guys come in and to try cattle smoke. Try the tenders out if you like spicy food. I would advise you getting the spicy tenders, Nashville tenders, because it was really good. So let's finish up the vlog here everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.